Today I'm at Brocket Hall where I'm producing Leo's Bar Mitzvah celebration. Now this is going to be a really cool one because it's based on the Rubik's Cubes. You know that thing that you twist and turn? Never been able to do it, but Leo is ace. We are also doing all the event design and production, management and entertainment. Quintessentially English country estate. Brocket Hall is one of England's finest stately homes. It has a renowned restaurant. It's also a Grade 1 listed accommodation at the Melbourne Lodge and home to the Melbourne Club, comprising of 2 championship golf courses set in magnificent, secluded 18th century parkland. We are all set to go. What have we done? All the event design and production, lighting, stage, sound, dance floor. We've also provided furniture, so the sofas, the low cubes and the tables, all in the theme of the Rubik's Cube. We also have a bowling game and we have the 360 video booth, which is a really cool addition to an event. Our guests have turned up, so all there is left to do now is celebrate.